Welcome. What you're about to see is not a pitch, it's a pedigree. AURUM Foundation is building an infrastructure that bridges institutional finance with the digital economy. At the heart of that mission is a leadership team with the credentials to back it up. Let's introduce them. The AURUM Foundation at a glance. Before we get to the people, a quick snapshot of where AURUM stands today. Over 170,000 active global partners, more than $150 million in assets under management. A $12 million seed round closed in February of 2025. 40 months of verified track record. Headquartered in Dubai, registered in Hong Kong, and built for global scale. A leadership overview. 7 doxed, traceable professionals, each with institutional careers that speak for themselves, from Morgan Stanley trading floors to crypto exchange directorships, from billion-dollar network builds to central bank advisory roles. This is a team that has done it before, at scale, in the real world. Brian Benson, CEO. Brian Benson brings 27 years of experience spanning traditional capital markets and cutting-edge blockchain infrastructure. As managing director of Binance's Latin American operations, he led one of the most consequential crypto expansions in the Western Hemisphere. Before that, institutional futures trading at Morgan Stanley. He also served as Chief Strategy Officer at Kima and as an Algorand Foundation ambassador. Brian sits on the Forbes Technology Council and holds degrees from Westmont College and Oakton College. He leads AURUM as Chief Executive Officer. Andrew Isaacs, COO. Andrew Isaacs is the operational backbone of AURUM. Over 18 years in specialized investment banking, Andrew has executed more than $23 billion in transactions and over $2 billion in digital asset deals. He served as managing director at Galaxy Digital and previously at Evercore and Morgan Stanley, advising leading emerging technology companies throughout. Andrew holds an MBA from the University of Chicago Booth School of Business. He joins AURUM as Chief Operating Officer. Ahmad Zin, co-founder and marketing director. Ahmad Zin is the architect of AURUM's global reach. With over 15 years spanning fintech, blockchain, and direct sales, Ahmad has built and scaled digital marketing campaigns across diverse markets and audiences. As co-founder, he was instrumental in growing AURUM's partner community from concept to over 170,000 active members worldwide, bridging crypto-native users and traditional finance audiences with equal fluency. Shane Moran's resume is a masterclass in scaling networks from zero. Named Vice President of Sales and Marketing at just 25 years old, Shane later co-founded Organo Gold, building it into a billion-dollar company across more than 50 countries in under 5 years, touching 2.2 million families worldwide. He has worked directly alongside Tony Robbins, Zig Ziglar, and Jim Rohn, and received the Napoleon Hill Foundation's Global Business Mentorship Award. At AURUM, Shane leads network development globally. Nick Patel is one of the world's foremost authorities on real-world asset monetization. As founder and CEO of Bank of Bullion in Dubai, he oversees the daily trading of more than 100 kilograms of physical gold. His platform, Clink.Gold, enables individuals to save in gold in local currencies, and supports central banks in monetizing gold reserves via blockchain. With 25 years of experience across 30 countries and advisory roles to multiple central banks on CBDCs and gold-backed digital currencies, Nick brings unmatched depth in the RWA space. Leonardo Galindez and Nicholas Kelland. Leonardo Galindez serves as CEO of AURUM Exchange, the institutional-grade crypto trading platform powering AURUM's ecosystem. Leonardo brings deep expertise in compliant crypto and payment infrastructure, ensuring the exchange operates at the highest standard of security and regulatory alignment. Alongside him, Nicholas Kelland leads global partnerships, specializing in building executive-level relationships across the Web3 ecosystem that expand AURUM's institutional footprint. Al Risky, Director of Product Growth. Al Risky is the growth engine behind AURUM Exchange's real-world market penetration. As Director of Product Growth, he serves as AURUM Exchange's sole country representative in Indonesia, building the regional market entirely from zero. In under 18 months, Al Risky drove over $100,000 in directly attributed regional transaction volume through grassroots go-to-market execution, community infrastructure, and product education. Prior to AURUM, he served as CMO of Gamity, scaling the platform to 2.5 million users and 1 million community members while raising $750,000 in funding. He previously led creator and community strategy at AURUM, growing a regional community of 5,000 members at 1/10 the standard acquisition cost. Al Risky holds a doctorate in science from Universitas Airlangga, Indonesia, with a perfect 4.0 GPA earned on a PMDSU scholarship from Indonesia's Ministry of Education and Culture. He brings 7 years of Web3 growth strategy to the AURUM ecosystem. Institutional pedigree by the numbers. Collectively, this team represents over 100 years of combined experience in finance and technology. $23 billion in executed institutional transactions. A billion-dollar business built from zero. Over 100 kilograms of gold traded daily. 2.2 million families across more than 50 countries. Their past employers include Binance, Morgan Stanley, Galaxy Digital, Evercore, Algorand Foundation, Kinesis, and the Bank of Bullion. This isn't a startup team, it's a proven one. Vision. AURUM's founding vision is clear. Crypto operating within traditional financial systems, not outside them. The focus is on infrastructure, practical tools for using, managing, and optimizing digital assets in the real economy. AI-powered trading, institutional-grade security, truly global access. The team has spent careers preparing for exactly this moment. Closing. AURUM Foundation, the bridge between institutional finance and the digital economy. To learn more, visit aurum.foundation or explore our exchange at aurum.trading. We look forward to building the future with you. Thank you.